Medina there, man.
I want some of Medina.
Alan, yo, is you go back, do we end gate? Or do we end gate up a pearly there? Look at the bank here.
Yeah, I want a piece of God bush, Bobo. But Jada, you keep saying Jada. Alan, the God bush always down here, so. But I come at the last time I asked him about the God bush.
I run away from God bush.
Where God bush there? Where God bush there?
Oh, no, not about. Oh, no, not about this. Something mix the roots. The thing they will mix the roots. Make it bust.
Chocolate tree used to down underneath there, so. I down underneath there, so. Alan. The God, yeah, down there, so underneath. I want to mix the roots, curry. I want to mix the roots. Yeah, only chocolate tree. And then if you drop a ground. Yeah. Yeah, if you don't see it on chocolate tree and a God bush.
Why don't you put the thing in the blouse and shirt?
No, if you drop a ground, you can't use it. No, you don't play with that bush.
What they put in a root?
Yo, if on a chocolate tree alone, he grew up on. And if you pick it and you drop it, no use it. I'm a little mama, so you do something underneath there, so. Yeah.
Tell me. Tell me. Who want you to tell me? As a Rasta man, because you're a Rastafari. King Selassie, I pick it up. Tell me. What them put in the roots? Make the roots.
No, them can't mix again, Bobo. Them no good. Them thin. Can't just have it. Take time, bow shoot. Take time, it. No, them not make me take no water.
Tell me, man. If he's
Tell
a
the people
Rasta man,
the camera,
he's a roots man. Real roots culture for wild roots. Tell me.
You can't put cane in it.
No.
And you can't put
No. Cane now, boss.
And you can't put plant in the planting.
Planting?
No.
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 No, man.
No. 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 And one thing you put in the roots make it bust. When you put it on the earth there, make him and bust all the back on the earth there, you know. And this thing when you use clean the teeth, you know. Chew stick.
Chew stick.
What wrong with you, man?
Rastafari!
King Selassie! Yeah!
What's
wrong with them, Baba?
Christ.
Chew stick.
Me can't let go this footage, me have happy.
Chew stick.
Me have happy.
Yeah, me yard, you know.
Them not sitting there,
No, no, yeah, no, no. Back up,
put on a yard, make them dry. Because them use green bush roots. Dry bush. Yeah, man, it have a dry.
Where? Under the Elizabeth system. Rastafari, which is King Selassie, I pick me, you know, you. Chew stick. Make you boss on it. They never know them someday, my youth. You never know?
I don't put my roots.
You never know?
Yeah, man, your boy.
You never know?
Your boy.
Put the two stick in that blouse and skirt and put him on the earth to be all 3D, you know, get the roots drink, you know. Bust the buckle and eat the ground down. Bust the buckle and eat the ground. When they give a big buckle, you see another piece there. No roots to do that for you.
I might get little food. Hey, mama, I want a white rice, do you know, Alan?
I go on like I grow it, and a granny may grow it.
Let me know how your granny you grow it, boy. You know, put on the rice one side, boy, we are dead for hungry.
I'm dead for hungry. How you got about that?
Me hungry, me never eat no breakfast.
Never eat none neither.
But you not strong, man. Me not strong like you know again. Give me a shot of pot again.
Yeah. See the good curry chicken. Ready. Steam down.
Alright. Alan. So alright now, Parry. They prime with the whitewash. And now them a paint the sun and give you a little breeze, you know. Them one are toasted way in a Parry. And toasties are disgrace, but we are try our best. So that the first coat was the whitewash, and then now I put on the paint. So that's where we are head. I curry that up there, so you know. Anyway, curry there, you don't know. Alan around there, so I deal with the pot. He curry I supervisor. Everything curry.
Curry and cook. Curry with all style, you know. We're not spoiling, you know.
No.
No. It's up to date, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, me see you, me see Auntie Teresa and Fanny cook them, you know.
Yeah, man.
Auntie Debbie.
Oi.
I'm going on the back side, yeah. The mix is it well, you know.
Back side.
The mix.
With me? You know. Let me say me hard man for jump in a curry. I don't know. But I go bubble up.
Alright, Uncle Murphy.
Yes.
Yeah. Long time we get some food, right, sir?
I work on the what? You know, something like that. Start lose 1 and 2 foot them. In a place.
Jesus.
And the food will come right away, you know. You think a joking thing, but it's really joking thing. And you put on people for you put on for a wood pot. I won't know them. There were the property people put on this. There were the property people put on the pot. They do have no property.
Ah, Jesus.
Do we put no the pot?
Yeah, go pray for curry.
And at the same time they want to put on the property for property. No! It can't work.
Ah, Jesus.
Hold it up here.
Curry?
Not on my university.
No. Could have never happened.
No.
Nothing like that.
They don't have no property to put weep and put them property. But they want to come in there with type of property. No. No. Not on a jar, it's jailed up. Not jailed up, jar.
Uncle Murphy, I can't like drunk about it.
You why here?
Not at all, more you.
I'm going to fight against him. I go if you go, you're going to get beat. And I need tradition of tradition.
So when them say Jesus, me no wrong, me have to say Jesus.
Hold on. You don't have to say no Jesus.
You know how Jesus get
You.
that?
That's why you arrested them at your bathroom.
Jesus.
Yes.
Before my arrest them, I say this.
You arrested them at your bathroom. And your bathroom got told you and you wanted because you are said Jesus. And you're not talking to Jesus.
But I talk about Daddy, because Daddy wasn't a Rasta, Daddy was a man.
Hold on.
Well, I'm
not say Jabby. Tony. Hold on.
But Noel,
You have to stop to Jesus.
sorry.
Oh.
You say one time, Javi did a keep party up there and the party never fell off and he must have curry goat left and he sell it by pound.
Hold on. Jabby alone, you have to go up there. Oi.
I sell the curry goat by pound.
Oi. A Jabby alone, you have to go up there. A Jabby alone. See him there? See him there? See what was him on A Jabby alone, you have to go up there. And what Jabby couldn't have been dash in the gully.
I sell it by.
On this earth
Yeah, have them
of
moment.
living, every man have the moment of living and them time.
Yeah. When your time come for you lift up, you will lift up. Yes, my nephew.
That is
Yes, my nephew. Just say that.
Instead of
Yeah.
himself.
So, no matter the time, no matter what the
No matter
weather.
the moment, just your time. The
Just
moment
wait.
of time, just come.
Yeah.
Inherit it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes, my nephew.
Some get it young.
Some get
Some
it in
get
them older
in
days.
middle
Yeah.
age.
Some get
in
it.
an old age.
Touch me.
So at the moment of time,
Yes.
you understand?
All right.
It's a meekly wait and murmur not.
Blessings
Good things come to
to
those.
those who wait.
Thank
Yes,
you,
my
auntie.
nephew.
Thank you, man.
And think you're drunk, but you're not drunk.
Thank you, man.
All right, my nephew.
Time don't go time no food.
Original, you know?
Eh?
Original, you know? Yes, the rice, yeah. Ready up. And thing. And the curry, the pan fire, well ready. Oh, look.
Yeah, man. Ready for eat?
Alright. Ready.
Yeah.
Come look on it now. Come look on it.
Hurry, come go look for me.
They might hide the room from me, man.
They might hide the rum from you, them to do that.
Come look on the curry.
Me no want to hide the rum from you in the curry. More you have the rum like that. Take your time with the Uncle Curry. Do I look like him a manager there now?
No.
Not yet?
No. Because it me time. You want it tighten good to that smooth.
Fix him up there, good. Call upon the pot, Curry.
Yeah, come.
Take your time.
Let's see what me I do.
Yeah, them a see man.
One, the white woman will know me, who want me to see what me I do, you know.
Yeah, she see.
Ready, lift up it. Hurry up, hurry up.
I do it took off long time, you know. So I ready to eat and mash up.
Took off meat. Took off meat, whatever. You want a little piece of meat, meat. Yeah, man, give me the same piece of meat to go.
But the meat at in a curry. You ready, Curry?
I am. You are going over here.
You ready? Yeah. Food ready. Food ready, Uncle Murphy.
Well done.
Yeah.
Good cooking.
All right.
Then that's
Curry, all right?
gentleman food time. Uncle Curry,
Yes, sir.
you good?
24/7, 44 years.
All right, Papa. Bowshoe, you pretty? All right, cool. Uncle Murphy,
Yes.
you're
to
good.
go.
Yeah.
Father, we give thanks for what we are about to eat. May your good name be praised, for now and forevermore.
Blessings.
Amen. Jah.
Blessings, that's sure.
Ras? Yes, sir. All right. Food time, Parry. Food time.
Good time.
Yeah. Why Curry knock out? See Curry up at top there, Parry.
Why then can Jerry come boy me with your mind?
Curry knock out. Curry can't manage that more. Curry that, you know. Jack Curry, he gave him no wagwan. This one here now, Parry. We have to go do some cement work in here, so it collapse like. So when we finish the cement work, this can paint. So we not bother waste some more paint on it. We have wait for the come back and now if we put on the headstone. Mama headstone, that are the next step. So we will just
out. That's woman knock him out, you know.
There.
That's woman knock him out. Get a right up a foot.
Boy, they angry. Corey. Me nah lie.
I tell you, say. Get a up a foot and 19 the one.
Jack Corey. Corey. Corey, get up. Get up, Corey. Corey. Get up, Corey. Get up. We are go over. Corey. Corey, get up, you know.
Come, Corey, when I come.
Come, Corey, come. We are go over. Lift him up the bubble. Come. We have to go. Corey, get up and drink your water. If he starts snoring, they say, don't you know, Murphy? Jack Corey, get up, man. Come, we are go over now. Come. Come, man.
Rise him up there. Rise. Come, Corey. We don't left you over here.
Come.
Yes, darling, and me lift you up. Come. Come on.
Come on, Sergeant. Come here.
Come on, sit down, Paul and Branda till you can revive. Drink your water. Give me water, Bobo.
Wash your face, man. Wash your face, man.
Come, Corey.
Just drink some of my water.
Get up,
Wash your
Charlie.
face, man. Relax, man. See what you're on. Come. Wash your face and
Drink your water. Drink your water. You feel better.
You.
Get up, Charlie.
Corey, drink the water.
Get
Then.
up, man.
Drink
Get
your
up.
water. Drink your...
Bang a pee-pee.
Corey put up your water to flow.
Jesus.
Have you gone here?
Baba, I don't like this.
Yeah, man, like this.
How much there's some more one type of Medina?
Yeah, the big leaf one, small leaf one.
When I wish I this one, I find this one.
These are the original.
This is the original
These
Medina.
are the original.
Medina.
Yeah, there are some finer ones.
These are the original Medina.
Yeah, man.
Original Medina. Yeah.
This a Medina.
Me can tell you.
Here,
Trust me, believe.
this is Medina.
Me can tell you.
Original Medina.
All right, Jacor.
Not Jamaican, not Jamaican, not Jamaican. This is original. Planted by Jah, King Selassie.
All right.
Medina.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Blessings.
Them have artificial and artificial.
Yeah.
This are real Medina. You see, you live fine?
All right. Other one, all right. One for the nerves.
Yes, this I live
Yeah.
fine. The
All
fine
right.
one.
Yeah.
Fine leave one. Yes.
Parry. Let's see how I look tired and beat out and pop down. We out the road there, so we are go back to city, but me I carry on go show no. The tunnel. Yeah. So little bit me tired. Them kids never come today. But me accomplish where I come for. So we have one more part left. Me I carry on go. Everybody asks me for the tunnel, you know. Everybody they be now carry go the tunnel. So because my nephew carry me now. Corey the great Corey. See?
When I say deadly pies, I mean deadly pies, you know. But if it go don't bite it, don't trouble it.
So Parry, we are head on to the tunnel now. My nephew lead me. The tunnel where me and my mother they go through where the ghost back way up in now. Yeah, number 15. On the block. Korea go before me, my chop out one little walk way. Everybody has said they be where the tunnel there. Where the tunnel there? We are go up a tunnel mouth here now. We're not going there now, we just go got the mouth here, the entrance. Yeah. 740 is longest one. Woo. So now look at dark spot where we are head to ya. This is it. Entrance. Yeah, Corey. Him there before me a chop Parry. Him a chop you. Yeah, me a look, man. People still walk through it, Corey? Yes, shortcut in a Parry. But by law, when the train was in, you're not supposed to walk on it. Oh, up here stay bad. Wee. Ooh. Yes, sir. This is how much curry? About half mile long? 1 mile long?
Yeah.
Oh.
1 mile long.
Wow.
This is
It have a bed in it.
it have a bend.
Yeah.
You can't see when you reach the bend.
Yeah, you know you can't see bend, you have to go around the bend.
Yeah. It's 50.
But that's a go a little bit up in height, no
Yeah,
fun.
man, go on.
This is the grade 5th number 15 tunnel upon the Port Antonio. The Port Antonio line with the pan. St. Mary. See the party? You see it? Me and my mother. We go through it. Shortcut. See it? We are down in a yonder yard. Look, you see it? And this, yeah, Jamaica Railway Corporation back then. And this is, my nephew say, 1 mile long. So this is it. Yup. I don't care to say it though. Anything in there, so you know, I don't know it go. See? Me I turn back now. You see it look all concrete up at the slave them make them here, you know. Yes. So up at the top, yeah. Slave them are they well making a man. So me turn around now, me I come back out. And that is it. Alright, Paris, so you find say now. I end this fit today, so
Blessed.
me have me never no done no Jack Curry, Alan behind me. Bobo, I wanna wait too. And this is my classmate. Put up yourself in Etburn. Me and Etburn are my classmate who go to school together. So all I in.
Curry ranks this series.
Curry they about you know.
Curry ranks is a little of a crew, you know.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
To each and every one out there, you know.
Yeah.
And Jah love every time.
Yeah,
See?
man.
Yeah.
I never still in the but I see me on a big up yourself here.
Yeah.
I see if you can big me up.
And Bobo ranks himself. This has been whole family to still, you know.
A while little crew them, I can't disown them.
I'm big auntie this, you know. Yeah. My big gracious auntie this, you know. We have to rate her and respect her to the most max. Highly respect to Jah. Rastafari, you know. Only one auntie me have against my father's side and she is it. So we want to take the most love and the most care, the most blessings of she. And walk the way for the whole of we, you see me?
All right, yeah. Blessings.